Okay, hello everybody. Highlight which portions of a level curve f equals 2000 have positive curly f divided by curly y. We say this partial f, partial y, or the partial derivative of f in the direction y. And that should be positive. Yeah, and one of our contour plots below. So these are all the same contour plot. We give you several in case you need to field tries. Like if you mess up on this one, then you can cross it off and give your correct answer here. Okay, and then B is how do I know I'm correct? Okay, so the level curve f equals 2000 is, well, I see here the 2000. Here's the 1900. Here's 2100 is this whole one. So this is the level curve 2100. What it means is this is 2 dimensions, right? And so what I have is a function on 2 dimensions, and it assigns to every point in the plane a real number, and all these points are assigned the number 2000. So hovering above all of these points on this curve is the number 2000 as the output of this function, okay? F is the function. And so I need to find which parts of this level curve of all the points in the plane which are assigned to the number 2000, which parts of it have positive partial derivative df dy. And so the answer is, well, okay, this is the direction E1, this is the direction E2. And so this direction corresponds to partial x, and this direction corresponds to partial y. The derivative in the first dimension to the derivative in the second, because people just automatically assume that you've called this x and this y. And so you just have to get used to this, because around the world, people call this axis x and this axis y. All right, so what I need to find out is where is this partial derivative positive? Well, the partial derivative being positive means that if we move in the direction of E2, in other words, if we move up, then positive derivative means that the value of the function should go up. It should increase to some larger number. So like if I'm here and I go up, you can see that then I get closer to the level curve of 1900, but that means my function value went down. Okay, so that's not good. If I go here, still again, I'm getting close to this 1900 level curve, and that means my function value went down. But what happens if I'm here? If I'm here and I move up, I get closer to these other level curves, like this level curve. That curve has 2100 as the label. So I see that same thing. If I go here and I move up, actually I get closer to these level curves, which have 2100 as the label. So finally, my answer is that right here, and right there. So my answer, maybe I'll put it also in blue, is all these portions of the level chord. So highlight which portions. So I did a lot of scratch work here, so let me highlight them here. Here's the level curve 2000, it's all this stuff. I just want to highlight pieces of it, namely that piece, this piece, and this piece. Because if I'm at this blue part, then moving in the direction upwards of E2, remember E2 is this vector 0, 1, that gives me a positive, the function value increases, and so the partial derivative is positive there.